सर के साथ भी हमने बहुत मजे लिए, पोर्चुगल गए, विलायत जाने का मौका दिया सर। तो, तो वो एक बहुत यस मजा आता है और थोड़ा काम आता है आपका डांसिंग बैकग्राउंड। यस, इट इज जस्ट बीटरूट जूस फॉर मी। सॉस, बीटरूट जूस, ऑल एडिबल। नहीं ऐसा नहीं है यार। मुझे मौका मिला है इतना बड़ा बनने का। मेरे को जो बनाना चाहे मेरे को, अगर वो खम्मा भी बनाता अपनी फिल्म में बन जाता। वो मौका मिला है मुझे विलन का, तो मैं विलन से ही कर रहा हूँ। हीरो का मिलेगा तो हीरो कर लेंगे, लेकिन क्या है मजा आता है विलन में, थोड़ा फील है। शाहरुख सर ने भी विलन से स्टार्ट किया था ना, तो ऐसे ही कुछ मुझे लग रहा है, क्या पता हो जाए।
राघव, आपके लिए कोरियोग्राफी एक्शन में कितना काम आती है?
बहुत काम आती है।
बस।
मतलब
well, सबसे पहले मुबारक हो।
ज्यादा सीखे
शुक्रिया।
हमारा कोई ऑस्कर भाई अभी।
There he's already in character. He's already playing Yudra. Okay, so Malika, let me get you up to speed. You know, until now we've been talking. We haven't even seen the trailer yet. Okay, so we can't spill any beans because we're going to watch the trailer after one more of our cast members joins us. But before we go there, I want to ask you. Tell us something, yeah. Tell us something. We've only seen this poster. There's a lot of blood. There's lollipops. And for some reason, it looks like this man's been up to no good. So please tell us what you can.
Firstly, a very good evening to everyone. Um, it's so I'll tell you what went on in my head. We shot this film for a while because it's this massive film. We shot all over the place. And when I saw some shots, when I saw a few things recently, a few months back, my first thought was, it's so stylish and it's so slick and it's something that I as an audience haven't seen in a very long time. So it excited me as an audience, not even as a part of the film. So I hope it has the same effect on everyone else watching it. And about Yudra, I think, he's done some pretty intense and cool stuff in the film. I mean, you'll see it very, very soon. But I can't wait for the world to watch all the magic he's created.
You know, you talked about style, but there's style's nothing without substance, right? And substance, I can tell you again, I'm just reacting with those posters. How do you guys give me such sizzling chemistry on a poster? God damn it! Like, stop it! Like, what is there a secret to that?
You want to take that answer? मैं जो बोलूँगा गलत होगा.
Where?
I think it's Ravi sir's magic.
Ravi sir,
yeah.
you are the chemist on this
Yes,
chemistry.
he is.
Nice.
That's true, though. That's a perfect word.
Nice. So, or rather, the alchemist, I would say. So, I know. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for, totally not answering. That question is completely fine. At this point, of course, thank you, Malvi, for joining us. And please stay on the
Thank you.
stage. Because up next, of course, I'd like to call upon the incredibly talented performer, Raghav Juyal. Deserves a round of applause for his charismatic performances, impressive versatility. He's been wowing audiences with his dynamic roles. After his standout performance in Kill, he's now stepping into the role of the villain in Yudra. Hi cuties. सबने WhatsApp ग्रुप पे कलर कोऑर्डिनेट किया है हमारे कपड़ों को, है ना? This was great fun. Thank you for taking my memo, guys. That was amazing. Yeah, so let's just start off this. First of all, now it's complete because आपका इंतजार हो रहा था, आप लोग आ गए हैं और इसके बाद हम इनको ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे. अब तक हमने ट्रेलर दिखाया नहीं है दोस्त.
अच्छा,
अब तक सिर्फ बातें चल रही हैं, तो इनको पता नहीं है कि किस रूप में आने वाले हैं आप. तो इस रूप के बारे में थोड़ी वार्निंग दे दें इनको कि पहली बार देखने वाले हैं, आपको क्या देखेंगे.
यार वार्निंग मैं पहले देना नहीं चाहूँगा. हाँ, क्योंकि वार्निंग दे दी तो उनको पता लग जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है, और वार्निंग जब आती भी है तो बड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है इंसान. सीधे देखो.
सीधे देखो.
सीधे देखो, है ना. और बताना कैसा लगा. बहुत मेहनत की यार, बहुत ज़्यादा. फिजिकली तो हम जूझे ही हैं इसमें, बहुत कशमकश किए हैं हमने, मगर साइकोलॉजिकली भी बहुत कुछ ऊपर नीचे हुआ है मेरा इस फिल्म के दौरान बिकॉज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. सो देखिए, बहुत मेहनत की है सबने, बहुत खून पसीना एक किया है. बहुत वक्त, जब टीनेजर था तब शुरू की थी फिल्म. अब बड़ा हो गया हूँ. सो यस देखिए और
You know,
बताइए.
I must acknowledge the wonderful year you've been having. Okay. वो बहुत डराया आपने मुझे. मैं ट्रेन में जाने से डरती हूँ किल के बाद. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. क्योंकि अगर तुम आ जाओगे वहाँ पे तो मुझे डर लगेगा, right? Are you having fun scaring people? You're doing it again?
I'm doing it again. I think I'm not. Yeah, I have fun. Yeah, actually. मतलब मजा है विलन में एक फील है हाँ वो तो इसलिए.
You know, the reason why this is so much fun is because I have watched this trailer. It is so fantastic, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. So, shall we actually show it to them?
Let's go.
All right, guys. So, we're going to step aside and give us a minute because ये नीचे आना होगा और आपको दिखाएंगे 2 बार, of course, without any breaks, the trailer of Yudra. Stage. Kindly take a seat once again. Ritesh. Ravi sir. You want me to call you Ritesh sir? No, na? Thanks. Because I know that brief. Malvika. Siddhant. Raghav. Could you kindly step up and take a seat? I'll let you. Yes. I'll let you go ahead. Thanks. I'm going to be here.
हेलो एक चेयर और अगर प्लीज सिट हियर.
राज अर्जुन साहब बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप स्टेज पर आए हमारे इस छोटे से कहते हैं ना राउंड टेबल लेकिन लाइन में है हम उसकी शान बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शुरू करते हैं अब आपके हवाले वतन साथियों आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है अगर सवाल हो तो माइक्स आपके पास आएंगे प्लीज डायरेक्ट योर क्वेश्चन टू समबडी हियर एंड फिर वो आपके सवालों के जवाब देंगे थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑफ कोर्स द फ्लोर इज ओपन फॉर क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग विथ यू लवली
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here from Zoom channel. So this question is to you. How much of anger you had to control while to went out, and let it go completely for the action thriller?
To control as in?
Control as in because when you're doing the scenes and all, I'm sure you may be finding it difficult to be all out there, venting it out.
No, there's been a lot of anger anyway. So it was anyway suppressed, and I needed an outlet like that to kind of just go out and just be myself. So yeah, I mean that's all I can say about it.
The second question is to you, Raghav. It's a bloodbath again for you. Do you feel like recollecting some fond memories from Kill to Yudra, or because otherwise also?
It is just beetroot juice for me. Sauce, beetroot juice, all edible. तो इतना कुछ ऐसा लगता नहीं है बट हाँ आजकल कुछ ऐसा मुझे ये मैंने शूट बहुत पहले कर ली थी किल से एंड दिस इज़ माय ये बहुत दिल के करीब है ये फिल्म क्योंकि बहुत समय दिया है मैंने इस कैरेक्टर को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए और चलो शारीरिक तकलीफ़ें तो हुई लेकिन मानसिक तकलीफ़ें भी बहुत हुई मुझे इस कैरेक्टर के लिए बट हाँ यार थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एक्शन करने में आजकल है ना मज़ा आता है
हाँ, but इतना ब्लड बात नहीं है उसमें लाइक व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग ये ज़्यादा ही हो रहा आप यू आर फीलिंग इट्स टू मच बट इट्स नॉट दैट मच
इट इज़ वेरी स्टाइलाइज्ड वे ऑफ मतलब हमारा जो एक्शन है
Poetic, that's the
इट्स
word.
वेरी पोएटिक यस
You make it brutal, but you make it poetic, so that yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
राघव मेरा सवाल आपसे यहाँ पे ऑन द लेफ्ट थे
आजी
यहाँ पे।
पाजी
कैसे आप
वजी बढ़िया
अच्छा किल में जैसा आपका एक रोल था अभी यहाँ पे भी विलन बन रहे हैं ऐसा लग रहा है नेक्स्ट न्यू बैडी आप ही है पहले आपके वीडियोस को देख के लोग एकदम खुश हो जाते थे अब तो लगता होगा कि डरते होंगे इज इट ट्रू
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है यार मैं मुझे मौका मिला है इतना बड़ा बनने का मेरे को जो बनाना चाहे मेरे को अगर वो खम्बा भी बनाता अपनी फिल्म में बन जाता वो मौका मिला है मुझे विलन का तो मैं विलन से ही कर रहा हूँ हीरो का मिलेगा तो हीरो कर लेंगे लेकिन क्या है मजा आता है विलन में थोड़ा फील है शाहरुख सर ने भी विलन से स्टार्ट किया था ना तो ऐसे ही कुछ मुझे लग रहा है क्या पता हो जाए
मालविका मेरा सवाल आपसे हाय कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड वेलकम
Thank
टू
you.
बॉम्बे
Thank
वेलकम टू
you.
बॉलीवुड
Thank
So how
you.
was your experience while working, in such one of the biggest films and working with such talents? And जहाँ तक देखा जाए, it's very much male-centric action, but I'm sure कि आपका role भी उतना ही मतलब you also kicking some ass I can expect.
I was waiting for the right project to work on. You know, मेरा mentality हमेशा से ऐसा रहा है कि I've never believed in taking up work for the sake of it. It has to be something that calls out to you. It has to be a good team. So when Yudhra came my way, I was like everything from the makers to Ritesh, Farhan to Ravi sir. I was like, this is fantastic. Plus it had Sid, and you know, it was a genre I'd never done before. So it felt like the perfect film to come to Bollywood with. My character is, she brings the soft part to the film. क्योंकि इतने मर्द है, इतनी एक्शन है, that she brings the tenderness, the much needed feminine energy, the softness, the cuteness to the film. So I think all of those scenes are.
But you want them to
But-
watch the film and
I do have one scene where I'm not very soft. I think he's referring to that.
it's a long one. You kill a lot of bad guys. Yeah.
That's
Killing
true.
them softly, I would
So
say.
even I got one scene to take off, vent all my pent up anger in life. मुझे थोड़ा मौका मिला है. So
सिद्धार्थ भाई फिल्में हम देखते देखते बड़े होते हैं सिल्वेस्टर स्टैलोन एंड आर्नोल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर कितनी सारी हमारे एक्शन हीरोज फेवरेट होते हैं सो आपके कौन से एक्शन फेवरेट हीरो थे जिनको हम while you were shooting Yudra you went on with that I'm gonna be that killing machine ऐसा कोई थे बॉलीवुड से हॉलीवुड से जो आपने तभी उस टाइम पे याद किया
देखिए मेरे लिए एक्शन हमेशा ड्रामा से रूट होता है एक्शन कभी भी मेरे लिए वो नहीं रहा है मज़ेदार जिसमें बस लोगों को मार रहे हैं उसके पीछे एक पर्पस होना चाहिए उसके पीछे कुछ एक मतलब एक हर्ट होना चाहिए उसके पीछे कोई कहानी होनी चाहिए और आई थिंक द biggest action hero we've ever had, as you know, the documentary sir has produced is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. जब मैं दीवार देखता था बचपन में तब मुझे लगता था यार ये एक्शन फिल्म है लेकिन अगर आप देखेंगे ध्यान से तो उसमें सिर्फ एक ही एक्शन लेकिन हर एक सीन ऐसा होता है जैसे लगता है कि यार अब कुछ होगा अब कुछ होगा अब कुछ होगा जैसा कि जाव साहब ने भी कहा था मैं उनके काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज़ भी देख रहा था कि काफ़ी कैरिकेचरिश हो चुका है वो एक्शन का जो एक इमेज है एंग्री यंग मैन का क्योंकि सबने वहाँ से उठा के उसको कैरिकेचर कर लिया बेमतलब में लोगों को मार रहे हैं बेमतलब में चीज़ें हो रही हैं just for the to get the eyeballs just for the effect but in this film there is a lot of depth and that's what I connected to अगर मुझे ऐसी ही एक्शन फिल्म होती जिसमें मुझे बस स्टंट्स करने हैं या उछल कूद के मारना है या लोगों को मारना है और बस एक सिक्स पैक दिखा के हीरो एक मेरे लिए वो मज़ेदार नहीं होता है कभी भी हमेशा मेरे लिए वो एक इंटेंसिटी एक एंगस्ट एक कहीं ना कहीं से जो होता है ना वो एक आग होनी चाहिए अंदर और भले अगर वो मारे भी नहीं और जैसे कि बच्चन साहब का हमेशा आंखों में होता था वो आंखों से फाइट करते थे और लात तो बाद में लंबी लात भी है तो लात तो बाद में लगती थी लेकिन उनकी आंखों से जो गोलियां लगती थी वो कुछ अलग ही थी सो मेरे लिए वो सबसे आई थिंक सुप्रीम एक्शन हीरो हैं
हेलो हेलो इधर
There on
Hello,
the
hello.
right. Thank you.
कैसे हैं आप
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ मैं दीपेश पांडे दैनिक जागरण से मेरा सवाल रवि सर से रहेगा सुनने में आया फिल्म के कुछ हिस्से रिशूट भी किए गए एक्शन के बढ़ते स्तर को देखते हुए तो कितने हिस्से क्या कुछ और एक्शन में ऐड ऑन करना पड़ा आपको क्या चीज़ें रिशूट करनी पड़ी और एक्शन में क्या कुछ नया लाने की चैलेंजेस रहे आपके लिए
क्योंकि हम पैंडमिक में शूट कर रहे थे तो आसान नहीं होता है बिकॉज इट्स नेवर इजी टू पुट पीपल टुगेदर एंड शूटिंग एन एक्शन स्पेशली इन दोज टाइम तो हमने काफ़ी सीन्स शूट किए थे और एज वी गॉट ऑन टू टेल एंड ऑफ द फिल्म बिकॉज हमको ब्रेक भी लेना पड़ रहा था शूट के दौरान बिकॉज फ्यू लोकेशन आर नॉट अवेलेबल सो वी आर गोइंग थ्रू दोज मोमेंट्स बट हमारा लास्ट शेड्यूल था रीशूट तो नहीं हुआ है बेसिकली कुछ सीन्स थे जो हमने रखे हुए थे we'll do it later because we'll know how it shaping up and जैसे बन रहा था रितेश सर ने हमेशा कहा कि just do what you have in mind so just don't hold back so वो एक हमेशा वो एक एजेंडा रहा था so yeah we had certain ideas and we thought okay maybe we went back and we shot those things.
Yeah, so I think it's not जो आप बोल रहे हो because during the pandemic, if you remember एक restriction हुआ करता था कि you can only shoot with certain number of people and I think जब हमने पूरी फिल्म को edit पे देखा by that time Sid had already moved on to some other film का look change हो गया था, so we had to wait for that. And I think जो action के जब अगर एक set piece action होता है तो it's easy कि it's just a set piece action and ये हो गया. But because there's a narrative in the action, there's a very strong emotional story which you आपको trailer में अब उसका एक झलक लगा होगा कि भाई says के जो आपका जो काम आपके बाप नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाए आपको करना होगा. Within that you had to complete that emotion. So for that in the climax, which we all felt after seeing the edit, that you needed some more to create the emotion to be complete. So that is the reason that we had to wait and do it. So it's not that oh हमने फिल्म देखने के बाद एक action sequence add कर लो. There was nothing like that.
राघव, आपके लिए कोरियोग्राफी एक्शन में कितना काम आती है?
बहुत काम आती है.
बस
मतलब उनका जवाब आपको मिल गया.
नहीं उनको बता. So basically every situation where when he'd walk in, he had his own energy. तो हम उसको रोकते नहीं थे, हम उसको बोलते थे you
वो
play it, so-
दरअसल क्या होता है, it is if action is choreographed well and performed well, it is art. मैं मानता हूँ. और वो मैं शुरू से because I am so aware of my body because of dancing and performing art since childhood, तो मुझे वो बड़ा मज़ा आता है करने में. और वो बहुत ही एक चाइल्ड लाइक सा है एक्शन, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. और मैं जिस तरह का मेरा कैरेक्टर है इसमें, तो अगर मुझे यहाँ मुक्का मारना तो कभी कभी यहाँ पर भी पड़ जाता था. तो वो ऐसा है. बट या मज़ा बहुत आता है मुझे एक्शन करने में, स्पेशली युद्रा में ना एक्शन इज़ वेरी स्टाइलाइज. और बहुत मुझे हीरो जैसी फीलिंग आ रही थी यार, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया शूट करने में भी. सर के साथ भी हमने बहुत मज़े लिए. पोर्चुगल गए, विलायत जाने का मौका दिया सर. तो वो एक बहुत मज़ा आता है. और थोड़ा काम आता है आपका डांसिंग बैकग्राउंड.
सिद्धांत, इसमें महाभारत के कैरेक्टर अर्जुन और अभिमन्यु की बात हुई है. अगर आपसे जानना चाहूँ तो आप महाभारत के किस कैरेक्टर से खुद को जोड़ पाएंगे?
वाह, इतने सारे किरदार हैं महाभारत में वैसे. लेकिन मैं अगर सच में सोचूं तो हमेशा एक ही किरदार जिससे मैं जुड़ पाया हूं, मतलब जिससे मैं रिलेट कर पाया हूं, वो करण था. और पता नहीं क्यों हमेशा से जब भी मेरे दादाजी सुनाया करते थे वो कहानियाँ, तो करण था और एक अर्जुन था. दो थे सबसे ज़्यादा. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ा हुआ और जैसे जैसे मैंने ज़िंदगी देखी, ज़िंदगी का थोड़ा तजुर्बा हुआ, तब ज़्यादा खिंचाव मेरा करण की तरफ ज़्यादा हुआ. तो
So you're Shweta from TV9. My question is to Siddhant.
हाय श्वेता, हाय.
Hi. And first of all, congratulations युद्रा के लिए. ट्रेलर
अच्छा
बहुत
लगा?
ही अच्छा है, बहुत
शुक्रिया.
प्यारा है. सो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि आपको क्या मोटिवेट, क्या इंस्पायर किया युद्रा जैसे लाइक मूवी करने के लिए? बिकॉज इसके पहले आपने खो गए, हम कहा, इसमें किया है, फिर गहराइया. सो व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू फॉर डूइंग दिस मूवी?
एक्चुअली मैं सच बताऊं तो ये पहली फिल्म थी जो मैंने साइन की थी गली बॉय के पास, जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा. और व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड मी वाज द पीपल हु आई ऑलवेज लुक्ड अप टू, जिनके साथ मुझे हमेशा काम करना था. फरहान सर, उन्होंने स्क्रीन प्ले, स्टोरी, डायलॉग्स. श्रीधर सर, रितेश सर, रवि सर. और इससे ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग सेटअप, क्योंकि जब एक कहानी एक्सेल जब भी एक कोई कहानी बनाता है वो सिर्फ बनाने के लिए नहीं बनाता. कहानी आई थिंक इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ एनीथिंग विच इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड आउट ऑफ एक्सेल. सो द स्टोरी इज़ वॉट एक्चुअली आई कनेक्टेड टू. द स्टोरी is what I really loved, and I wanted to do it, and the people who are making it, and to just, I think I was I got lucky with that I got such a big film, and especially right after Gully Boy, just one film old, that too not the lead guy, supporting actor in that, and to just mount such a big film. I think it's Ritesh sir and Farhan sir who actually had shown faith in me. ये मतलब मेरा से कहूँगा, अगर इतनी बड़ी फिल्म कोई आपके पास लेके आता है तो मतलब ये तो मेरा सौभाग्य है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. तो I'm lucky to be able to do what I always love to do.
Yeah, right.
Hi.
Thank you.
Here, this side. Ravi ji.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, hi.
Supriya from PTI here.
Hi, Supriya.
We have seen and loved your work in Mom. So
Thank you.
what takes you such a long time to come with this film? I mean, such a long time.
To me, it's not a long time. Sometimes few things take like you have to do it right. And I'm an artist, I paint. So to me, every, project that you work in, it has its own depth to it. Like even answering to that question, like what happens when you go through it, if you see it's a coming of age story of this kid who has anger issue. And coming of age is not difficult. If you see, as a young cadet, he looks like a baby, it's like a boy. So we had to break so that he could put on weight. So towards the end, so the entire graph, the way it comes out, it took time for us to design it. And, while making it, and because it's even sound and everything, we had to put it all together in terms of action. We had done a previs even before we got in. So we had designed each and every scene and the aspect of how, because each action has its own, it's very bare and raw action. There's no cheating. And what we did, we kept it very real and raw. And when you see the film, you can feel the pain. It was important for me to achieve that. And yeah, so all of them, anger also came from many takes and retakes, and they were really angry. So yeah, it was that. So you had to feel that pain to achieve that emotion, because even that action to me, it's part of the emotion and it's part of performance. There's no shortcut to it. So yeah, so that's how it happened, and it took time, and through the pandemic, like how Ritesh sir said. So it's tough.
Hello, this is Siraj from filmfestivals.com.
I have few more questions.
The question
Oh, I'm
is
sorry,
to,
Siraj Sahab. Actually, this conversation is not yet over. If you could give us a minute to complete.
Oh, I thought it's over.
Not
I'm
at
so
all.
sorry.
No, don't know.
So
don't
yeah,
worry
finish
about
it. I took long.
Thanks.
So so like I said, few films, प्यार से जिसको बनाना पड़ता है धीमी आंच में. That's how I would say it. So yeah, I think we made it well, and they had a vision, so they trusted my vision. So I had to deliver. So I'm like, yeah, we'll do it right, and that's how Excel. That's one of the reason. I'm really lucky to have my producers watching my back saying, no, are you happy? I'm like, yeah, we're getting there. And yeah, it took time. Yeah.
अभी मैं वैसे एक बात कहना चाहूँगा. अभी इतना कॉर्पोरेट सिस्टम हो गया ना फिल्म्स का भी कि 2 महीने में 4 महीने में रेडी करके दो डेडलाइंस. तो पहले तो मुगले आजम बनती थी ना, तो कोई सवाल नहीं करता था. अभी ये फिल्म जो जमा टिका के हमने बनाई है और स्टाइलाइज्ड वे से बनाई है, इसको कुछ चीज़ों को, कुछ बेमिसाल चीज़ों को वक्त लगता है, और ये उनमें से एक है. सो आई थिंक यस.
Thank you.
Siraj Sahab to Siraj Sahab, because he still has a mic.
Thank you
Shukriya,
very
sir.
much.
Boliye na.
Hi.
Oh,
two
ma'am, I'm
questions.
so
One
sorry.
to-
Now we have to move on. Thank you.
one to Ritesh and Ravi together. When you're doing an action film, and with so much of technology at your disposal,
Yeah.
a lot of VFX, you can create those without real acting and without real actors. So it must be a tough decision of how much to really do on the computer and how much to do with the actors and with the risks involved. So how do you tackle this aspect of action?
Yeah.
I mean, to be honest, I think even you're talking about VFX involved in action, yes, there are a lot of possibilities, and it's constantly evolving, and it's not evolving, it's evolving actually literally every 2 or 3 months, right? But in this film, most of it, what you see, is done by the actors or stuntmen, but there's a restriction. The minute you go into, I mean, of shooting it in a certain way, when you want to go to a close-up, or when you see him up in doing a certain action, you can't cheat that. You'll have to somehow work out using real characters. What does help is that when you do these face replacements and all that, but those are not done in this film. So if you're talking particularly about this, of course, it does make it easier. Safety-wise, you have to be safe, because it doesn't matter whether it's the actor or the stuntman. You have to be responsible and have your safety measures in place, irrespective of who's performing that. Unless it's a completely 3D created character, then it's different. But in this film, there's nothing like that. So most of the action you see is being done by the actors sitting here, or it's been done by the stunt doubles on wherever. Obviously you don't want to put the actor at that risk, but the stunt guy is capable of doing that stunt. So I think that's the difference. But you're right, there is a lot of change, but it's not only, I think it's restricted to a certain level also, and it doesn't give you that much of freedom of creating what you want with real life action.
I also feel too much tech takes away the emotion. I feel, especially when you're doing action, if you don't feel it, when somebody hits, like physically, when there's a physical contact, you cannot replicate. You can, it takes time, you spend a lot of money, you might as well do it. If you understand the craft of it, it's very easy to cheat, and you can't catch me like in the VFX part of it. So you create everything, you do maximum real stuff, but few things like Ritesh sir was saying, you cannot achieve, but you try and achieve through that, but it's kind of hidden and camouflaged. So you have to use that to your advantage. And you have to be smart while making it. Otherwise, you'll be spending, VFX is not an easy thing to do, yeah.
And Ravi, you have to be smart by not calling me sir again.
I
and
was
again.
just going to flag
Suddenly
that.
you started calling me sir.
I said,
because you said-
why does he have the permission to do that?
There's no permission, but I'm just wondering why.
Now, a question to the person who's not yet faced a question.
Raj Arjun
A
sir.
villain with a very long beard.
Yeah.
सर ये इस फिल्म में आपका किरदार किस उम्र का है और आप असल में अपनी असली उम्र से उस उम्र तक ढलने में कैसे पहुंचे?
सर आप सबके सामने मेरी असल उम्र जानना चाह रहे हैं मैं 50 का करीब का हूँ सर और 55 के आसपास का वो आदमी है, लेकिन मैं यहाँ 50 का होने के बाद 30 का फील करता हूँ, वो 50 का होने के बाद 55 का होने के बाद 65 का फील करता था। और मेरे ख्याल से मैं और भी कुछ पूछना चाह रहे थे आप इसके अलावा? बस
नहीं सर, इनका एक और सर का मुझे बताना है, इन्होंने for about 6 months, that's what the commitment's all about. Like I really respect, I'm really lucky that I had great stars, you know, like I have great actors in my film. Raj sir for 6 months didn't do anything because I had asked him to grow his beard because I said I don't want to use, like I hate wigs. I said, do you mind? He said, I love this character, and we had a really interesting conversation about it, saying I'm going to grow my beard, and he walked in with that for 6 months, didn't do anything, and we styled him, and after that again till we finished he was holding on to that. I think that's a commitment, especially in today's time, and I really thank you, Raj sir, for just giving it all, and I really appreciate that. Thank
I'm
you.
honored sir, it's a pleasure that I'm a part of this film. Thank you very much.
Siddhant, I have, you know,
Sorry to keep
this-
you waiting.
No worries. This film established you as a solo hero. So how challenging was the wait for the release, because it's been very long for you as well?
How challenging was the wait? I think I did a couple of films in between. For me, I just love being in front of the camera. I want to just go out and act. And the process obviously takes long. And when I wanted to be an actor, I knew कि काम मिलने से पहले भी बहुत इंतज़ार है, काम मिलने के बाद भी बहुत इंतज़ार होगा. और बस I mean I was mentally prepared कि I know, मुझे पता था कि ये बहुत कुछ अलग बना रहे हैं हम. We're making something very big. We're making something very special. So I didn't mind the wait, to be honest. I never went restless about it, but I was very curious about how it's happening. You know, because being part of such a big film, I was constantly calling Ravi sir or Ritesh sir ki, okay, what are we doing with that? Like, I just wanted to know the process of an action film, how it's made. But the sound design is going to be very, Pranav, if he's here, he's done a great job. When you see the film in the theater, it's path-breaking in sound design. You'll feel each and every little dust particle also falling on the ground. So I've been a part of this process, so I almost feel like I was part of the team. I became an intern to Ravi sir. We're constantly sharing ideas with Ritesh sir for the poster, for everything. So for me, it's been a very, it's almost like a film school, after the wait. And it's beautiful, I think. I learned so much waiting for this film, actually.
Lastly, I want to ask for everyone, you all are part of Indian cinema now, and Hema Committee report is out, so I would like to know your reaction or your...
I'm so sorry. This is not a question that we're going to give an answer to today. This is about a film, and I'm really sorry. It doesn't allow me to, go there at this point. Thank you.
Hi. Hi, my name is Nishad and I'm from News 18. My question is to Malvika. Malvika, first of all, congratulations on Tangalan. Hello. The movie is amazing as well down south, and we'll see you in a different avatar as well soon in Hindi as well. I just want to know that we see you in a very different shape in as Aarti, and over here you're in completely different avatar, and you're very angry there, and you said there is one very angry scene over here. So how much of Malvika is there in real in both the movies?
Hi, it's good to see you so quickly, so soon again, I must say. Yeah, thank you for all your kind words about Tangalan. The film it just crossed 100 crores, and the North release is still pending. It's only had a South Indian release and across all the South states and worldwide. But the Mumbai release will be out soon, and it's already crossed 100, so we're very happy about
I hope
that.
it's not releasing on the 20th of September.
It's not.
Oh, okay.
पर यही होता है हम इतने सारी फिल्में करते हैं and then you wait, you're waiting for the release period and then everything releases together. So, but it's a great problem to have. It's two very different films, like you rightfully said, and two very different roles. I feel something I've been actively trying to do, and I say try because as actors, we're also choosing, we're also picking from the opportunities that are coming our way, right? So to get certain kind of films, when you're looking for specific kind of roles, like it's just timing. But I've been trying to be more versatile with the kind of films, with the kind of roles I've been picking instead of getting boxed into like a certain category, which happens very often to female actors. Aarti was we bring so much of ourselves to every role we play. If I play, so Aarti, just to give the ones who don't know context, is the character I played in my previous film. If somebody else had played the character, it would have been very different, obviously. So I think I channeled into different parts of me for that role. And it was very nice to, it's a complete contrast to what I did, Nikhat in Yudra, because she's soft, she's tough also, but there's this feminine softness about her, which was nice to bring to life, to bring to the film. It was an element that the film, there aren't many women in the film, as you could tell from the trailer. So it was nice to be that, to bring the delicate emotions, the nuanced love to the forefront. So that was nice, to do something that's completely different. That was good.
Thank you so much, Nishad. I hope that was good for you. Lovely question. We'd like to call a close to this wonderful Q&A. Thank you so much for your patience, guys. You've been here for a while. Yes, there will be photos. But before that, I would like to present to you once again the wonderful makers and the cast of Yudra. Give them a round of applause. Seetiyan, taliyan, jo bhi aap kar sakte hain. बहुत shukriya aapka. And while the chairs magically get taken away, I'd like to request our friends on stage to kindly give away the mics as well. Just pass the mics on as well. Thank you.
Where's Rupin and Pranav, Saurabh? Come down, guys.
Can I please also at this point request
Vishal,
Kasim Jagmagia and Vishal Ramchandani, co-producers Excel Entertainment, to join us on the stage. Kasim and Vishal, would you join us as well, please? Thank you. And this is how we'll do this. We'll do a giant group photo first, okay? So giant group photo, everybody huddles, everybody smiles into camera.